Both outside and inside, our guest house is looking great. Now it's time to add those important elements that make it comfortable to live in, and it starts with the appliances. Selecting appliances for any kitchen is always an important process. Now I always base it on the size of the home, of course the style or theme that I'm putting together, and the people that are going to be living in there. This is of course a granny flat. Now it's a small home, it's only 60 square meters and the kitchen is not large. People here aren't going to be doing lots of baking and they're not going to be cooking massive meals, so 600 wide for the cooktop is a really good combination, and the oven is actually a great size. I could have gone for a wall oven, but that would have taken valuable bench space, so that's why I put it underneath in this project. They're easy to operate, which is important because many different people might be staying here over time, but they're also easy to clean and maintain. I've opted for an undermount range hood. I actually select these a lot in my projects because I love the clean look in the kitchen, and I find that canopies, though they can look really industrial and make a statement, they also require extra cleaning on the outside. This is a great setup here and I think it's super functional. As far as the finish, well, induction cooktops are black anyway, so I've decided to pair that with a black oven. It just seems to suit the space and fit really well. It's looking pretty good. So the time has come to make this house functional, adding that final layer of furniture and decor, as well as the additional appliances that our guests will use when they come to stay. A practical inclusion for any house, especially a guest house, is to have a laundry. This is small, but of course it has a washing machine. We're very close to the beach, so there might be time when you have to wash some clothes, especially beach towels. So this is a 10-kilo washing machine. It's also a really good looking design. It goes with the rest of my finishes, and in case the doors are open, it's going to look beautiful. The fridge is also black. It's actually black stainless steel. It's also an upside down fridge freezer, meaning the fridge is on the top and easy to access, as you use that more often than the freezer. One important tip when it comes to fridge and freezers is to make sure that they hinge on the right side. You want it to be able to open onto the kitchen side where you're doing all of the work. Now, who loves doing dishes on holidays? No one. That's why we included a dishwasher. It's a quality brand with easy to use controls, so no one's going to have a problem. And it has an economy wash suitable for small loads. As for the colour, well, of course I went with the dark finish so that it blended in with the fridge and the other black appliances. So finally, my tips for selecting the right appliances are quite simple. Firstly, look at the function, the people that are going to use it. In this case, we wanted easy to use appliances for our guests in the guest house. Secondly, look at the scale based on the size of the kitchen. And finally, of course, go for the style and finish that matches the rest of your project.